how to find winning products to sell on Amazon over and over again. All right. In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly what I do, right? All the exact strategies that I use to help me find winning products to sell on Amazon over and over again. Now, this product research video is actually very special because I'm going to showcase my personal software that I've built strictly to help you find products a lot faster, right? You won't believe what I've done for this software. Honestly, I make it so easy for you guys now to find products to sell on Amazon. But anyways, without further ado, let's just go right in here to the computer and let's go into finding a winning product for you guys to sell on Amazon. Okay, so we're right here on the computer. So the software, and you know, this is literally my first video really showcasing the software. It's called overlookpro.com, okay? You can go to Overlook Pro and create your account with it. You can use, right now, just by watching this video, guys, and by being the first to watch this, you are gonna get a 25% off discount for my software. So you can just use the discount code ECOMDAVE25 to get a nice 25% off discount right now, just for watching this video. Okay, so you're gonna go to overlookpro.com. You're gonna create your account. Once you've created your account, make sure to use my discount code. You're gonna land right here. Okay, now I actually have a tutorial right here where you can it's called Overlook Pro Learning, that will take you pretty much to what each of these tools do, right? I only not have just tools for product research. I have tools for creating your listings, right? Which is very important. Reverse ASIN, which I'll get more into detail in later on videos. But just for today, we're just gonna focus on the product research side of things, the most important part, right? It's probably the most important part when it comes to selling on Amazon is selling the right product, right? You could do everything wrong, but if you're selling the right product, then you're most likely going to make some good money. Okay, so you wanna go to where it says right here, Eagle Eye Research, okay? Now, what is Eagle Eye Research? Just think of this tool, guys, like a huge filter, okay? This tool is going to pretty much scan all the products on Amazon and is going to give you a list that fit your filters criteria. Now, very important, you wanna hit right here where it says keywords, and then you wanna pick your categories, right? So for example, for today, we're gonna look on arts, craft, and sewing, we're gonna look on baby products, and we're gonna look on tools and home improvement, all right? Now, usually I wanna sell products that are making at least $3,000 a month. Now, this is what's special about my tool. It knows how much money a product is selling on Amazon, right? So typically, I wanna sell products that are making me at least $3,000 a month. That's revenue. Average profit margin on private label, guys, is about 30%. So if a product is making $3,000 a month in revenue, you're most likely gonna make anywhere between $900 to $1,000 a month profit. Okay, now, also, I don't want to sell products that make too much money. I won't get too much into detail into why I choose that. But you know, if a product is making 100K a month, it's most likely very competitive. So I stay below 65,000. Price, so minimum price. I only want to sell products that are selling on Amazon for no less than $12 and no more than $60. Average sales, I want to sell products that are selling at least 300 times a month. Okay, now this is very important, your reviews. I only wanna sell products that the average review count on my competition is less than 300, okay? So it's not only about how much money a product makes, guys, okay? Remember that. It's about selling products that make good money but that are low on competition. Because trust me, I can show you products that are making $1 million a month. But that does not mean that you should sell this product because it's most likely very competitive, okay? Now, less than 300, you wanna go ahead, hit search, and what my beautiful tool is going to do is gonna show you products that fit our product research criteria, right? Our tools criteria right here. So it's filter out, look at that. You have over 500 different pages, and each page is about 10 different entries, so you have a lot of products to choose from here, okay? Now, for example, there are products that I automatically just stay away from. I don't like selling any electronics or dangerous items, so flamethrower is for sure out the door, right? Banners and signs, let's look at that one. So to look at this product on Amazon, all you need to do is click this button right here, and my tool is going to automatically search it on Amazon, right? I usually like to pull up a couple here. For example, name tents, that looks pretty interesting. Let's see what that is, right? Let's keep it going. Paper tassels, let's see what that is. Tick torch, stepper motor, tassel ribbon looks pretty interesting. Okay, now we have 4 products. Perfect. All right, now what you want to do next is you want to go over here and you want to go where it says product scanner, right here, product scanner. Okay, product scanner is my Chrome extension. Okay, now this tool is going to show you exactly how much money the people that you're seeing on Amazon are making every month. Okay, simple. You want to go to product scanner, you want to hit where it says install now, boom, and it's gonna come up right here. Okay, it looks like a little eagle, right? That is a Chrome extension. Now, very important, you will need Google Chrome for this. Okay, so make sure you download the Google Chrome web browser because you're gonna have to do this. Now, when you hit install now, you can hit that. Yours is going to say add to Chrome. Mine says remove from Chrome because I already have it, right? So it said add to Chrome and you'll see it come up. If it doesn't come up right here, you can click this area right here and you'll see it in this section, and then you can pin it so it shows up right here in your main section on your toolbar. All right. Now, once you have the tool installed, you want to go back to your searches here, and then you want to go ahead and you want to hit this tool right here. Boom. Now, I'm so excited for you guys to see this, okay? Oh man, so I've been added this indicators right here from what you see here. So for example, this is red, so I automatically know that this is not a good product to get into, and I'll get into the details why. Okay, because what I want, okay, in what I teach my students, all my one-on-one coaching students learn, is that you want at least 7 out of the top 10 of everybody here making at least $3,000 a month. And from what I see here, only 1 person out of the top 10 is making $3,000 a month. So it automatically counts it for you, right? So again, this makes it so much faster because I already see a red here, 1, I'm already going to the next product. Okay, so for example, I'll go to the next one, paper tassels, right? I'll go ahead, I'll hit the tool and see what we're working with here. All right, dun dun dun, see, and it'll pull up the information right here in a second. There we go. Okay, so we have 4 out of the top 10 are making more than $3,000, and 6 out of the top 10 have less than 300 reviews. That's not that bad. I usually want to see, an orange and a green, but we'll dive right more into this, right? So for example, if it's 4 out of the top 10, it's still worth diving into it, right? So what I'm looking for here is I'm comparing reviews with revenue. Okay, so get this in your head. If the majority of people who have low reviews are making really good money, then I'll probably look into getting into this product. Now, the reasoning behind that is, well, you are going to start with 0 reviews. Remember that, okay? Now, if all your competitors have thousands of reviews and there's like not that many people with low reviews making good money, it's going to be really hard for you to compete. So you want your competitors to have a low review count because remember, you are starting out with 0 reviews. For example, here I see somebody with only 30 reviews doing $3,000 a month. That's not that bad, right? 148 reviews, 4,600. For example, here I don't see that many people with low reviews making good money, so that tells me that I should probably go on to the next product, right? So let's look at another one here, name tents. So let's go ahead, run the tool, and let's see if we find something nice here, right? Again, my tool, guys, literally makes it so easy. For example, look, we found something good. We have a green and a yellow, right? So that's actually, obviously you want green and green, that's perfect. But 5 out of the top 10 are making more than $3,000 a month, and 9 out of the top 10 have less than 300 reviews. What does that tell me? Well, that tells me that these people, it's very easy to compete with them because there's a lot of people with low reviews, right? For example, you have someone here with 64 reviews doing $2,100 a month, 20 reviews, $2,600 a month, 33 reviews doing $3,000 a month, right? 51 reviews, close to 3,000, right? So a lot of people with low reviews, so that's pretty good. Now, there are other indicators that we look for here. obviously you want there to be different brands selling this product. I won't get too much into detail on this. This is a general understanding product research for you guys, but ideally I want different brands, right? So I do see different brands selling the product, right? I do see a lot of people with low reviews with a good revenue, right? And I also want the majority of sellers to be FBA, not Amazon, which I do see the majority of sellers are FBA. There are a little bit of Amazon sellers here. So then that would take it to the next step, right? So I'm looking at, literally, I made it so easy for you guys with my tool. It's simple. If you see yellow and green, good. If you see red, and if you see red and red, then probably not a good, probably just go ahead and go on to the next product. Again, making product research go a lot faster, right? That's what Amazon is about in the first part of product research. It's just moving through products and finding products that are high on revenue but are low on competition, right? So let's go ahead, run the tool on this product and see what the data on that is. Again, see how fast we just analyzed literally 4 products. Okay, guys. So again, the name of the tool is Overlook Pro. I am just super excited for you guys to finally try this. I've been working so hard to make this tool for you. Look, here's another product. 7 out of the top 10, more than 3,000, and 6 out of the top 10 with less than 300 reviews. Look, right? Again, we're comparing reviews with monthly revenue. You have someone here with only 33 reviews doing $6,000 a month, right? And so on. Okay, guys. I mean, honestly, I couldn't make this any more easier for you guys. Now, I want you guys to understand the reasoning behind product research. Okay, you want to always look at, compare the reviews, compare the revenue, right? You want the majority of people to have a low review count and to be making pretty good money. Okay, guys, so again, the tool is Overlook Pro. Make sure you go to overlookpro.com, sign up, and make sure to use my discount code ECOMDAVE25 to get a 25% off discount on the tool. And if you are interested on joining my one-on-one coaching program, where we work with you one-on-one and we take you through the whole process, right? Not just product research, where after you obviously find a product with my tool, then you need to find a supplier, which we're gonna help you with that. Create your listing, make your images, and then rank your listing on Amazon, and obviously scale your business. We help you with everything that has to do with that. Make sure you go ahead, if you're watching this on Instagram, comment the word Amazon below, and then we can talk about you getting started with my Amazon coaching program. If you're watching this on YouTube, make sure you click on the link you click the link in the description, where you can go fill out an application and schedule a call with my team. All right, guys. So again, I am so excited for you guys to try out my tool. I'm gonna be doing some other videos on some other cool little features that I've added to this product research tools for you guys. Again, to make selling on Amazon simple. That's my mission, and that's my mission with the software, and that's my mission with my coaching program, is just to make it easy for you to start your online business so you can work for yourself and be your own boss. Again, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you on the next.